Welcome to this Hearts of Iron modding tutorial. In this video, we will be discussing how to make a custom plaque in Hearts of Iron 4. Before we begin, I'm assuming you already know how to create mods and add them to playsets, the basics of GFX and GUI files. To begin, open your mod file and create an interface folder, spelled exactly as in the video. After this, we need to go to the vanilla Hearts of Iron 4 file. To do this, open your hard drive that has Hearts of Iron 4 installed, click Steam, then click Steam Apps. Common, Hearts of Iron 4. Then go down to the interface file and click it. Now search National Focus, all in one word. You will see two files, copy them, and then paste them to your mod's interface folder. Now, go back out to your mod's main directory and create a GFX folder, spelled just like in the video. Now, open it. Now create another folder called Interface, spelled just like in the video. Open it and paste in the art you want to be your plaque. These files should be about 168 by 50 pixels, and they should be either DDS or TGA file type. They should have the names focus underscore can underscore start underscore BG, focus underscore completed underscore BG, and focus underscore unavailable underscore BG. In this interface file, create a techtree folder and go back to the Hearts of Iron 4 vanilla files. Once in the vanilla files, go to the GFX folder and then the interface folder. Find the techtree folder and then open it. Then find the technology available item bg.dds file. Copy the file, then paste it into your mod's techtree file. Now, go to your mod's interface folder, then click the National Focus View.gfx folder. Hit Ctrl F, then in the search bar, type current. Then, copy in your defining files, which are in the description above the spriteType block. Make sure to replace the yellow highlighted bit with your GFX can start texture file, not your GFX focus current texture file. We also need to change the Germany tree, as it has a special plaque texture, different from the normal ones, in its Führerprinzip branch. Hit Ctrl F and type in GER to find the Germany inner circle blocks. Make sure to replace these files with the subsequent texture files. I already changed them beforehand, so just replace your texture files with the highlighted bits shown on the screen. Now, if you hit play with your mod and playset selected, you should have your custom plaque. A couple of things to note. There are no tutorials and no posts I could find on this topic, so the information I can give you is very limited. With the Nordic share tree, I cannot find anything to replace nor anything to add in order to get the plaques to change. If you figured this out already, please comment on your fix. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if there are any other topics you would like me to go over, let me know. Happy modding!